Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to give you the 4-part formula for making money online while you sleep. My name is Brian Brewer. I'm a full-time digital marketer and I've created multiple passive income streams over the last 5 years. These are the 4 biggest keys to that success. Now, the first thing I do as an entrepreneur who wants to create passive income streams online is I create evergreen content on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These platforms help me drive traffic and get views 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, what that means is if I want to take a week off and I don't want to create content, like I did this summer when I went to Jamaica, that's fine because people are going to still be searching these videos, and the algorithms on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are going to continue to push some of my high-performing videos out to people who are highly likely to enjoy them and hopefully be my target market. Now, the second thing that I do that is super important, and a lot of people really screw this up when they're creating content, is I make sure I keep my messaging and my call to action consistent. This is important because as I build out my digital footprint, I can drive traffic to the same automated conversion system that is nothing more than a very simple website that anyone can build using drag and drop software technology, and also an automated email sequence that is very easy to create. Yet the combination of these things work tirelessly even in my absence. That means if I want to take 3 weeks off around the holidays like I did last December, I can still communicate with my new leads and overcome their objections so they can buy my thing. And I do so in a way that is not only relevant to them, but it's also timely for them. Now, the third thing I do is I stay focal by continuously reminding my prospects of this amazing opportunity. And I do so using a process I call Omnipresence on autopilot. Now, what this means is I can use Facebook and YouTube ads, just spending around $5 to $10 a day on retargeting ads in order to get my message in front of them on YouTube pre-roll, in the Facebook feed, in the Instagram feed. And what this does is this allows me to very cost efficiently dominate the conversation that's going on inside their head. I can reach them many more times than the average person in the market because I'm only advertising to people who already know me, like me, and perhaps even trust me. At the very least, they've already raised their hand and said, hey, I trust you enough to come and see what you're talking about, and I like your messaging enough to follow through. That's pretty powerful stuff. And when you do that, you can make your product the obvious #1 choice for them. And finally, the biggest key of having a passive income business like this and making money online while you sleep is zero fulfillment. You see, I partner with other people's businesses. What that means is I leverage their systems and their sales teams and their fulfillment. Because I have zero fulfillment, I don't have to worry about clients. All I do is refer buyers and earn commissions. Now, if you want to learn more about how I created this incredible passive income opportunity for myself and how you can do the exact same thing following the simple steps that I followed as well, then go ahead and click on the link that's somewhere around this video, perhaps in the comments or the description, and you can go over and watch a 100% free video that's going to give you more details about this amazing business model that's super beginner friendly and allows you to start as soon as today.